हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे 31 to 40 नंबर नेम। चलो स्टार्ट करें। 31 THIRTY 30 ONE 1 31 32 THIRTY 30 TWO 2 32 33 THIRTY 30 THREE 33 34 THIRTY 30 4 34 35 THIRTY 30 5 35 36 THIRTY 30 SIX 6 36 37 THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7 37 38 THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8 39 THIRTY 30 NINE 9 39 40 FORTY 40. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.